everyone, today we are at Lodha's Upper Thane. This is a 200-acre integrated township and this was designed by the legendary architect Hafiz Contractor and is home to thousands of families today. Lodha prides itself on building a better life और ये मुझे यहाँ साफ दिख रहा है in this gorgeous development, Lodha's Upper Thane. More than 80% of this development is devoted to green and open spaces. Not just that, you have access to world-class amenities and you can literally walk to everything that you want within this township. तो groceries से लेकर medical supplies, food, laundry, यहाँ तक के डॉक्टर और स्कूल भी अवेलेबल है. There's also a beautiful Ganesha temple surrounded by a lotus pond. तो यहाँ से बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Personally मेरे लिए ये green parcels are just for sitting peacefully, catching my breath and letting go. The homes are so spacious and so well designed for the comfort of your loved ones. Let's go see. ये फ्लैट कितना सुंदर है ना, and the layout, it's so well thought out. और normally पता है, neighboring buildings are so close that you feel like you're living in each other's homes. But here, there's a clean view for miles together. और वो जो वहाँ दिख रहा है, वो है थाने डोंबिवली लिंक रोड. Now once this is fully developed, it'll connect the Mumbai-Nasik highway to Dombivli Station West, which means the Upper Thane residents will be able to get to Dombivli West Station within 10 minutes. And right now, I'm sitting at The Nest, the township's grand 50,000 square feet clubhouse, which is the lab of nature, luxury and laughter. It also has a lovely library with so much sunlight streaming in, और मेरे अंदर के आर्टिस्ट को तो ये जगह बहुत पसंद आई. With an indoor and outdoor section, this is a beautiful dining area. There's also a creche, banquet hall and game room which is filled with fun activities like TT, snooker, carom, chess. And for all of you health enthusiasts like me, there is a 5,800 square feet gymnasium with top-of-the-line equipment. And look at this row of treadmills, which means I'll never have to wait for my turn. And after a great workout, you can also go to the health club, which is equipped with steam and massage room, which can rival any spa. And you know what the best part is? The swimming pool. And the clubhouse features both an indoor and an outdoor pool. This poolside is completely giving me the feels of a resort. Vacay mode on! And now for all of you sports fanatics. Upper Thane has you guys covered as well. Be it cricket, badminton, basketball, or then football. Look at this international standard football field. Now this is a perfect setting for our future football players. And here we are at the cricket grounds, which is right next to The Nest. Seriously, ये pitch इतना अच्छा है कि शायद कभी यहाँ IPL भी host हो. क्यों? Wow, I just love it here. तो आज का दिन मेरे लिए बहुत ही enjoyable और satisfying रहा. And after experiencing all of these offerings by Lodha Upper Thane, I would love to live here. और मुझे लगता है anybody would be lucky to call this place their home.